Can you imagine a classroom where every child has become the enthusiastic reader and they are able to read and write? Envision a world where every person can read and write and where phonics is not a tedious task, but it is the enjoyable task. Imagine yourself as a torch bearer and the catalyst in bringing smiles to millions of the children by teaching them correct reading and the writing skills. This is Shweta Gupta, and in order to make you the torch bearer of the reading and the writing skills for your young children, I invite you for the Jolly Phonics training that I'm going to start from 11 September. Fresh batch is going to start by 11 September for the next 5 days, wherein I'm going to teach you the nuances of how you have to teach reading and writing to the children, what all creative activities you need to do with them, what all curriculum you need to follow while teaching phonics to the children, whether the child is in nursery, junior KG, senior KG, or in grade 1, 2, or maybe in the higher grades, what all curriculum you need to take, what all are the correct sounds, what should be the pronunciation of the words, and how day by day you have to teach those children the phonics skills and give them the joy of reading and writing for their whole life. All the details are given below in the description, and still if you want to ask something, you may message me and you may contact me at the number mentioned. His spelling tricks to follow Twinkling Phonics. So do you want to teach the magic of words to your children? Come, let us join in my Jolly Revolution that is going to begin from 11th of September. So see you soon. Bye-bye.